iOS 26.4 Beta 3 just dropped, and your iPhone just got completely faster with everything. But something in this update is still off and kind of weird. It feels weird. So if you're ready, let's get right into this video. And here's the real story behind this update. The stuff you'll feel the second you install it. So your iPhone got faster, not a little, but noticeably faster. So apps are snapping open quickly than Beta 2. Animations feel a lot snappier and smooth again. The lag is basically gone so far, as I see. But battery drain, yeah, that problem didn't go anywhere. It's still draining at about 10% so far after updating in this update. And let's go into emojis. And as you see, Apple still didn't drop the new emojis. So you'll see a question mark when searching, just like you see right here. So as you scroll across, you go and you see the first one right here is supposed to be distorted face. The second one is supposed to be, as we scroll, and here goes another one. It's supposed to be orca. And then another one is supposed to be hairy creature, which is the Sasquatch or whatever. And then, let's see, then this one is supposed to be landslide. That one's still not showing. And then we got this one. This one's supposed to be fight cloud. And then let's see if we got any more. We got another one over here, it's supposed to be trombone. And let's keep searching, see if we see any more question marks. Not that question mark. Let's see. Any more, any more? Let's search and see what are the new emojis for iOS 26.4 Beta 3. Let's see, according to Mac Rumors. And let's see what these. So right here, it's supposed to be the trombone, the treasure chest, the head. Some of these are wrong. That's the Arco, the Sasquatch, and we're supposed to be having a ballerina or something, or some shoes or something. That's supposed to be like where you can actually change them. So, so we got 6 new ones that's supposed to come right now. That's question marks, as you see right there. So that's all that's in this update so far. If I find anything else, I'll let you know. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next iOS 26 video. Peace.